examples of hydrocarbons. For example, we have methane, CH4, ethane, CH3, CH3, propane, CH3, CH2, CH3. These are some examples of hydrocarbons. Students, further we can classify hydrocarbons in two main classes based upon the type of covalent bond. यानी किस तरह का कोवलेंट बॉन्ड कार्बन एटम्स के दरमियान मौजूद है, इस बेस पे हम हाइड्रोकार्बन्स को फर्दर दो ब्रॉड क्लासेस में क्लासीफाई करते हैं. ईदर the hydrocarbons are saturated hydrocarbons or either they are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now students, we will discuss the classes of hydrocarbons. First of all, we will see saturated hydrocarbons. What are saturated hydrocarbons, students? These are the hydrocarbons in which we will observe single covalent bond between carbon and carbon and hydrogen atoms. It means in saturated hydrocarbons, all the carbon atoms, they are linked together with the help of single covalent bond. Similarly, we will observe single covalent bond between carbon and hydrogen atoms. We will see some examples of saturated hydrocarbons. Further has two types. Either they are saturated hydrocarbons or they are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are further subdivided into two main types, saturated hydrocarbons as well as unsaturated hydrocarbons. First of all, we will see what are saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons in which all the four valencies of carbon atoms are fully satisfied by single bonds with other carbon as well as with hydrogen atoms. It means in saturated hydrocarbons, we will observe carbon single bond carbon. Saturated hydrocarbons, they are also called alkanes. Saturated hydrocarbons, they are known as alkanes. In alkanes, we observe single covalent bond between all the carbon atoms as well as carbon and hydrogen atoms. So, alkanes, they are saturated hydrocarbons. Right, students? The general formula for alkane is, CnH2n plus 2. This is the general formula for alkane, where N is the number of carbon atoms in the given molecule. N is the number of carbon atoms. Now students, in alkanes, each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other atoms. Methane is the simplest alkane which is made up of only one carbon atom. We will write some other examples of alkane. Methane is the simplest alkane consisting of single carbon atom. This is methane. Other alkanes, alkane made up of 2 carbon atoms, CH3, CH3. This alkane is known as ethane. Similarly, alkane which is made up of 3 carbon atoms, CH3, CH2, CH3. This alkane is known as propane. Similarly, alkane which is made up of 4 carbon atoms, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is known as butane. I hope saturated hydrocarbon is clear to you, students. Second type of hydrocarbons is called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons which contain carbon-carbon multiple bonds. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, they contain carbon-carbon multiple bond. Multiple bond means either carbon atoms are connected with the help of double covalent bond, or either carbon atoms are connected with the help of triple covalent bond. So based upon the type of covalent bond, unsaturated hydrocarbon is further subdivided into two main types, that is alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes are those unsaturated hydrocarbons where we will observe at least one double bond between two carbon atoms. Alkenes, they have at least one double bond between two carbon atoms. The general formula for alkene is CnH2n. Similarly, alkynes are those unsaturated hydrocarbons which have at least one triple bond between two carbon atoms. The general formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Now students, we will see some more examples of alkenes as well as alkynes. For example, if you have a molecule which is made up of 3 carbon atoms having double bond, that is CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. Since in this molecule we have a double bond, so this is alkene. This alkene is made up of 3 carbon atoms, that's why it is known as propene. Similarly, alkene which is made up of 2 carbon atoms, H2, C, double bond, CH2. This alkene is made up of 2 carbon atoms, so that's why it is known as ethene. Students, these are the examples of alkenes. Let's see some examples of alkynes. Alkyne molecule which is made up of 2 carbon atoms, H, C, triple bond, C, H. This is the alkyne which is made up of 2 carbon atoms. That's why its name is ethyne. Eth shows there are 2 carbon atoms, and yne shows there is a triple covalent bond between both the carbon atoms. Another example, C, triple bond, CH. This molecule is made up of 3 carbon atoms, that's why it is known as propyne. I hope unsaturated hydrocarbons are clear to you students. Now students, a question is given to us, that is, we are asked to choose saturated and unsaturated compounds from the given compounds, right? The first compound which is given to us, that is CH3, CH2, CH3. Students, identify this compound is saturated or unsaturated. हमने बताना है कि ये compound saturated है या unsaturated है, ठीक है? It is very simple to identify this compound. हमने क्या देखना है? Which type of bond is present between the carbon atoms? Carbon atoms के दरमियान किस तरह का bond है? Here we observe all the carbon atoms are connected with the help of single covalent bond. तमाम कार्बन एटम्स के दरमियान सिंगल कोवलेंट बॉन्ड है, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स? दैट्स व्हाई दिस कंपाउंड इज सैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड. सो व्हाट इज द कैटेगरी ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड? दिस इज सैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड. It is saturated compound students, that is alkane. I hope this is clear. Now let's see the next question. Next, another compound is given to us, that is CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. Now identify this compound is saturated or unsaturated. ठीक है students, अब हम देखते हैं. In this compound we observe single as well as double covalent bond between carbon atoms. See here, we have a double bond between carbon atoms. Carbon atoms के दरमियान double covalent bond है. Presence of double covalent bond shows that this compound is, yes, correct, this is unsaturated compound. So what is the nature of this compound, students? This is unsaturated. Unsaturated. It is unsaturated compound. Similarly, we will see one more compound. Another compound which is given is CH3 C triple bond CH. What is the nature of this compound? It is saturated or unsaturated? Students, here we observe there is a triple covalent bond between two carbon atoms. Presence of triple covalent bond shows that this compound is, yes, correct, this compound is unsaturated compound. So what is the nature of this compound? This is unsaturated. Unsaturated compound. Similarly, another compound is given. Here we have another compound, that is CH2 double bond CH C triple bond CH. Identify the nature of this compound. Here we can observe, students, between the carbon atoms we will observe there is a double bond as well as there is a triple bond. इस कंपाउंड में कार्बन एटम्स के दरमियान डबल कोवलेंट बॉन्ड भी मौजूद है और ट्रिपल कोवलेंट बॉन्ड भी मौजूद है. प्रेजेंस ऑफ डबल एंड ट्रिपल कोवलेंट बॉन्ड शोज दैट दिस कंपाउंड इज अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड. Unsaturated compound. I hope this is clear to you, students.